You're back in my channel Test with Akash. So today in this video we will install the playwright project from the scratch, how to download it, how to install the project, what prerequisite required, what is the node.js, what is the npm, how to download, how to install the playwright with a single command, how to install the playwright with the manual commands. We will see all this in this video, so be in this video. So this video will be a very informative. So basically we know that to install the playwright project we need prerequisites. So we need to download and install the node.js. To install the node.js, there is an official website. You just go there now as per your specific operating system and download the node.js and install in your local system. So I have installed all this the node.js and all the prerequisites. So let's create the project with the single command first. For that I'm creating one folder. So I'm giving the name as demo. Okay, let's open the VS Code and open our specific folder. Yes, open folder, desktop. Where is our demo? Okay, yeah, and open it. Okay, so we are in our folder. Check the path first. Okay, so we are in the demo folder. Let's check whether the node.js is installed. There is one single command like node-v. So yes, the node.js is installed in our system. So basically what node.js is, so we know that before we only run the JavaScript only in the browsers. So with the node.js we are able to run the JavaScript outside of the browsers. And npm, what's the npm, right? We will see in further video. We will use npm command a lot. So npm is the package manager. There's a different package managers also, so I will talk only on npm. So npm is the package manager. With the help of that we are installing the libraries. It's like our Play Store, App Store. Like if you want any specific application, we go to the Play Store, App Store and we download it. Same with like with the npm, we will install all the node.js libraries and we will use in our projects. So let's say we create we check all the prerequisites are installed very correctly. So let's run our first command. With this single command we will set up all the things. So the command is npm init playwright @latest. So command is npm init playwright @latest. Let's run it. So let's it asking me whether you want project in TypeScript or JavaScript. So let's start with this JavaScript. And then another he asking me where to put your end-to-end tests on a tests. So he defaultly suggesting the test folder, but I wanted the folder name as a E2E, right? So I'm giving the folder name as a E2E. Then it asking me the add GitHub action workflow. Like I'm accepting it workflow. So actually the workflow is like when we are pushing or pulling our code, it will run our test folder automatically in a GitHub action. So we will cover this part later. So I want this workflow. Enter. So install playwright browsers. So it asking me to should I install all the browsers? Yes, install all browsers, because I wanted to run my test in all browsers. So beautifully it create one package.json file. Then okay, now it is downloading all the browsers, and it downloaded it, and it's saying happy hacking. So we did all our setup beautifully, and see like workflow folder get downloaded, our test folder get downloaded, uh, all the git ignore node modules are get downloaded, and other package.json and playwright configuration get downloaded. So let's run one test command, so we will ensure all are set up correctly. So let's run the all this default test which is present in the util folder. To run that the folder, we have command npx playwright test. So with this command, it will run all the tests. There is another commands to specifically run specific file, specific test, specific tag related test. So we will see in later. Okay. So basically, it executing the all tests in headless mode. It's running. It uses 4 workers to execute this test. So what is mean a worker? Worker helps to execute all the tests quickly, parallelly. So yes, all the 6 test cases are passed. If you wanted to see the execution on a window, then run command like npx playwright test hyphen headed. It will show the windows, and we will be able to see all the test execution on the window. It open the windows, like it will execute all the tests on a Safari, on a Chromium, and all the on the browsers which we install. Okay, so yes, it's open the Safari WebKit. Okay, so all the tests are passed, or installment is correct. Let's check the report. npx playwright show report. With this command, it will show the report in HTML format. Okay, so it open the our rope report. So in HTML format, 6 tests pass. There are other format like alu, release, JSON. There are different format. We will see later. Let's close this window. Close this project. Minimize project. So let's see how to create the project with the